So, try na tong unbox. Crank arms. Left and right. Left pa-fan. Right pa-fan. Levers. So, brake lever. Okay, left and right both. So this will only work with cable. Yung hydraulic cannot use this, so you need to provide another sensor for that. Tapos chain ring, chain guard, chain ring. Medyo laki yung chain ring. 44 teeth. 46 teeth. Actually 46. Uy, laki. So kailangan ng mas malaking ano to, chain. So di ko lang alam kung kasya pa yung old ko na chain. Ito yung motor. 48 volts, 22 amperes, 750 watts. Connector 750. Bafang. Mabigat siya. Ito. Laki. So, ito yung chain. Ito yung chain drive. So, expected na dito siya sa na side. But before that, install siguro muna natin yung ano, ito, para mas madali. Okay, para ma-check rin kung gaano kayong spacer. So need to install this. Tapin ko lang yung bolts. So may set na siya. So the holder, yung mga set of needed. Tapos ito is the sensor, bafang. So speed sensor. Ito, need speed sensor. Then yung LCD niya is hindi yung colored. Ito yung pinaka basic default. So ito yung LCD. Okay, so first is keep lang natin tong LCD kasi medyo sensitive. Okay, top. Ito pa rin, ito pala, throttle. So hands throttle, pwede mo i-press lang, tatakbo na siya, hindi na kailangan mag-pedal. So may throttle siya. Galing. Okay, so first lagyan na natin itong pa-fan.